Right guys, what the fuck? Check out my die grinder. Look at that. Look at that for twisted, guys. I reckon this flex shaft is fucked. Look at it. It's fucking wrapped around my fucking cuts off flag. I was carving away there, just set the fucking handpiece down and wound up. Sorry for the language, guys. Set my handpiece down and the fucking thing vibrated forward, touched the cuts off flag and done a fucking crocodile roll. Look at it, it's mangled. I have to try and untangle all this now. Fuck. Had that hanging up, that was hanging up there. Chunked down, started rolling around, wrapped on that. Only set it down for 1 fucking second. Even look at the cable. Jeez, fuck. Right, I'm going to try and get this sorted here, guys. Fucking not impressed. Not impressed. Right, guys. Oh, yeah. So I got it all untangled. Turned it on. It seems to be running okay. I need to get this hung back up again here somehow. Had it just hanging on cable ties, so I'm going to get a couple of cable ties. Fix it back up. Can't believe that. It was just stand clean up out of this spalted. Check this out. It's a wee tiny bit. But it's spalted blackthorn. And I was just going to do a wee mini spear in that. But then I literally cleaned the bark off it. I set the handpiece down, I guess. Just set the handpiece down for 1 second. Set it there and it fucking vibrated forward. So it did, touched that, snagged on it and dust on a fucking biggest crocodile roll. Ripped my die grinder right down off the hook. It was fucking hanging down here, spinning round. The wire got wrapped up. Cable was all twisted. The flex shaft was all twisted. I can't believe it. So now what I need to do is get this die grinder popped back up here somehow. Oh, doesn't look like I'm going to even do a video. I'll probably put this video up for you anyway. I don't know, maybe just go out now and get the die grinder out. Just do a big carving. Just not in the mood for this. I'm sort of fucked with my wee drama. I miss my flex shaft, guys. Just need to get a new Dremel sorted. And I can get back onto my flex shaft and get carving again. I'm trying this crap here, but this here is a load of shit. If you see it on Amazon, guys, don't be buying it. That'll be gold handpiece. They're not that dear, like, but it's crap. It's a waste of money. So, that's all for now, guys. I shall update this all soon.